Hello guys! Welcome to Z-Way Shop Rebranding Love. By the way, I'm Dr. Ram Dagdag, the CEO and founder of Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company. Here in Z-Way Shop, we create entrepreneurs. And of course, not just an entrepreneur, but a God-fearing entrepreneurs who make God at the center of everything that they do. So ganyan kami dito sa Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company. By the way, our warehouse is located here at ASJ Building, Centennial Road, Kawit, Cavite. Pwede kang mag-visit dito sa amin. Open kami from 9 a.m. up until 5 p.m. from Tuesday up until Sunday. So let's talk about starting your own brand. So ano nga bang pwede namin i-offer sa inyo dito sa Z-Way Shop Rebranding Love? Bakit ka pa nga ba magre-reseller kung kaya mo nang magtayo ng sarili mong brand? Remember guys, lahat ng yumayaman, nagnenegosyo. Kaya kailangan magnegosyo ka para yumaman ka, di ba? So, ayan. And of course, you can build your own brand here with Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company. By the way, 10 years na nga pala yung kumpanya ko. We're going 10 years this 2024. Kaya very strong na tayo pagdating sa marketing, building brands, and building entrepreneurs. Pinagdaanan natin ang pandemic. Kaya for sure, kaya natin ang lahat ng krisis na abutin natin, di ba? And of course, here in Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company, we create brands that is sustainable and growing. So are you the next sustainable brand? Ikaw na kaya ang next na trending CEO na magagawa natin? Ayan guys, no? When you start your brand with Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company, what are the advantage, benefits, and our competitive advantage na pwede ba namin i-offer sa'yo? Unang-una, free DTI business name registration kami. Free marketing apps and tools for you to continuously create your marketing banners. Hindi lang one time na magkakaroon ka ng iyong mga marketing banners. But what we are going to do is to create marketing apps, isasend namin yan sa'yo, and tools na pwede mong magamit wherein you already have the brand template ng brand na sisimulan mo. So, hindi ka na mahihirapan na gumawa pa ng mga posters and marketing banners, no? Si Z-Way Shop na yung magbibigay sa iyo ng mga marketing applications na pwede mong magamit for you to continuously market your brand, no? And of course, free photo shoot and video marketing with our experts. And free e-com store. Gagawa na rin kita ng website at e-com store mo dito. Free FB and TikTok marketing blueprint. Most of the brand na hawak natin is starting up with TikTok and FB. The question is, paano nga ba sila mas kikita at mas mapapakilala yung brand nila? Always remember, when you build your brand, it is better if you build a brand awareness campaign. So, paano naman gumawa ng brand awareness campaign? Yan ay nakapaloob sa FB at TikTok marketing blueprint na ibibigay namin sa iyo. And of course, in brand building, of course, nandyan yung personalizing your brand. Evaluating your brand description, differentiation and positioning ng brand na sisimulan mo. And of course, how are you going to do the brand promotion? When you are starting up, sobrang dami na kailangan nating pag-aralan when we are starting up a brand. That makes you, that will give you an edge kapag nag-start ka ng brand mo with Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company. Bakit? Kami na yung gagawa niyan lahat sa iyo. Ang pinakamaganda dito, we are the expert in building brands. Kaya napakadali na para sa inyo to come up with how you want to build up your brand. Alright? And of course, guys, yours truly have social media marketing basic course na libreng-libre para sa iyo. Masterclass in entrepreneurship, libre din yan para sa iyo, na pwede mong i-access anytime, anywhere. Meron tayong website kung saan recorded lahat ng masterclasses natin, kung saan pwede mong panoorin at pwede kang matuto. Always remember that when you are starting your own brand, you have to learn first before you earn. Alright? Kaya lahat ng to, libre para sa'yo na magsisimula ng brand with Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company. Free marketing tools and banner. Yung first banners mo, gagawin na namin yan sa'yo para may maipopost ka na agad sa mga social media platforms mo. And of course, yung tools na continuously na pwede mong magamit. Ano? You can also customize the products that you want. Always remember, a unique selling proposition of your brand is very important. At yan ang makukuha natin kapag nag-start ka ng brand with CY Shop Worldwide Company. You can book an appointment. So, how to start naman your own brand na pinag-uusapan natin kanina pa, no? All you have to do is to message our page, our coach, to book an appointment for a one-on-one Zoom meeting with our business coach. So, it is very important na tayo ay merong one-on-one Zoom meeting for us to evaluate kung paano natin i-build up yung brand mo. Your invoice will be finalized after and process payment at shipment na yan agad ng order mo. Tanong, what am I expecting naman in business planning or dun sa one-on-one? Anong magaganap dun sa one-on-one business planning natin? No? Simple lang. We will develop your product. Anong product? Yung gusto mong ibenta. The products that we have. No? We have the soap, the lotion, we have the lip tint, the body scrub. What product you are trying to develop? Alright? So, meron tayong product development. At syempre, ano yung system ng distribution mo para ma-distribute mo sa market ang iyong paninda? Tutulungan ka namin gumawa ng sistema mo. Pangatlo is creating your logo and your brand. That comes with a mission and a vision. Overall, the business planning is already consists of how we are going to create up your brand. Do not worry. There is an NDA or non-disclosure agreement between you and the company. Hindi namin isasabihin sa lahat ng tao na sa amin kayo nagpapagawa ng brand nyo. That's why there is the NDA or the non-disclosure agreement na pipirmahan mo bago ka mag one-on-one business planning with us. No? So ganito kasimple at kaganda ang product offering namin dito sa ZY. Because what we want you to have is to build a global brand. Not just a brand, but a global brand na ipapakilala ang brand ng isang Pilipino. So ano pang hinihintay mo? I-message mo na ang coach dito sa page na to. At mag-set ka na ng one-on-one business planning with us. May you have a good day, guys, and God bless us all. Thank you!